At live events, getting sound where people need it usually means one thing: long cable runs, extra labor, and limited flexibility. But at Crescent City's Classics after-race concert, the team at the Sound Source deployed high-quality audio coverage completely wirelessly. Outdoor events move fast, cable paths are unpredictable, setup time matters, and running audio hundreds of feet across active event spaces isn't always practical. The solution? RF Venue's RF-PA extension kit paired with Electro-Voice battery-powered loudspeakers. Using RF Venue's RF-PA extension kit in combination with Electro-Voice EVERSE speakers, the team delivered clean, low-latency audio to remote speaker locations without running a single cable. Combined with portable Electro-Voice battery-powered speakers, the result was fast, flexible, fully wireless deployment. No trenching, no taping cable paths, no long analog runs across the venue. Designed for focused RF coverage and improved signal performance in demanding environments, the CP Beam helped ensure clean, consistent audio delivery to remote loudspeaker zones. The wireless deployment allowed the production team to place speakers exactly where coverage was needed, quickly adapting to the environment without infrastructure limitations. The result? Faster deployment, cleaner integration, expanded coverage, and professional audio performance across the event space. For live sound production teams, it changes how outdoor sound reinforcement can be deployed. RF Venue and Electro-Voice help deliver reliable audio coverage without the constraints of traditional cabling, because your sound system should adapt to the event and not the other way around.